How to create Reels blend feed in your Instagram DMs. Firstly, open Play Store or App Store on your device. Go to the search bar on the top and search for Instagram. Look for any kind of updates that may be available for the Instagram app. If there are no updates available, open the app on your device. If you swipe to the right, then your DMs will show up. Click on any of the person's DM to open their messages. With Blend Reels, you and your friend can watch the same reels in same order. You will see a small icon at the top right corner. Click on that icon. Now select the option Invite. This will send an invitation link to your friend. Once they accept your invitation link, you can click on the Go to Blend option. When you do that, then you will be redirected to your Reels section. If they haven't accepted your invitation, then a screen like this will show up. But once they do, you can watch Reels together in the same order. You can even comment on Reels, and that comment will be shared between your conversation. This will make watching Reels much more entertaining for you and your friend. That is all for today. Thank you.